Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see another question on nodal analysis. In this question it is said that in the circuit below Thevenin's equivalent has been asked. So this is the circuit and Thevenin's equivalent voltage VTS has been asked. These are the options. This question has been asked in GATE 2020. So let us see how can we solve this question. To solve this question using a nodal analysis, assume this is the node 1, this is the node 2 and this is the node 3. We have grounded to this node 3, and at this node 1 let's assume this is voltage V1. Since VTS voltage is given here, this is the VTS voltage, and current and this is the open circuit, so there will be no current flowing through the 4 ohm resistor. So current in this resistor will be 0. So this VTS voltage will be present at here. So at node 2 voltage will be equal to VTH. Now if we apply KCL at node 1, then what will be the KCL? Let us see. Since this 1 ampere current is coming towards node, so this will be negative sign here, -1, plus we don't know the current in this branch, so let's assume that current will be flowing outwards. So here current will be V1 upon 1. Here the current is V1 upon 1, plus in this branch if we write the KCL, then it will be V1 plus 2 minus VTH upon 2. Why? As I have said in the last video that if negative sign is towards node of a voltage source, then we take it positive during writing the KCL. So here since this minus sign is towards the node, so we write V1 plus 2, and if we go further, then here we see that this VTS is positive and its negative sign will be towards ground. So VTS sign is positive and this positive sign is towards node, so it will be in minus sign. So here will be V1 plus 2 and minus VTH whole upon 2. So this current will be flowing through this branch. So this is the written here, and we have taken positive sign since we have assumed that current will flow outwards the node 1. So this is the equation is achieved, and if we rearrange this equation, then this equation number 1 can be find out. Now if we apply KCL at node 2, then we can see that this voltage is VTH and positive sign is towards node, so here we can write VTH minus 2. So here VTH minus 2, and this V1 voltage source can be write as positive here and negative towards the ground, so it can be written as VTH minus, since positive sign is towards the node. So VTH minus 2 minus V1 whole upon 2, this current will flow in this branch. So here this current will flow in this direction, the current will flow, and this is the equation. We can find out VTH minus 2 minus V1 by 2, and in this branch we can see that 2 ampere current source is towards node, so it will be in negative sign. Here it is minus 2, plus current is flowing in this branch will be outward, so it will be in this direction. So we can write it as VTH upon 2. So this is VTH upon 2, since current is outward from the node, so it will be positive in sign. So here is the positive sign, and this current is 0, so there are no need to write the current here. This will be equal to 0. So total equation equal to 0. Now if we rearrange this equation, then we will find minus V1 plus 2 VTH is equal to C. Assume it equation number 2. Now if we solve equation 1 and equation 2, then we will find VTH is equal to 3.6 volt. So this is our answer.